So welcome to this course, everyone. So I'll just briefly we did show you how to automate your entire business. Okay, so this software or this platform is called Go Eye Level. Okay, if you want to purchase this, as I'm speaking to you right now, it cannot cost you anything less than about 900 and something dollars every year. So close to $1,000 every year. But this is a sub account, so we have some partners in Nigeria that purchase the account itself and then um, have smaller businesses that buy sub accounts from them. So this is a very powerful platform. I mean, when you get your own account, okay, when you get your own account, you're going to be met with a dashboard like this. Okay, so you can just put in your number here. When you put in your number here, they will send you a link to download the mobile app, and it is that mobile app you use to manage your entire business. You can upload products from that mobile app, so you don't need to be a techie person or a tech savvy person to be able to upload your product on this platform. Okay, and then you can manage your Google My business profile on this platform. All you need to do is just to connect your account. You can see my own account here. Okay, so this is the app you're going to be using to manage your entire business. The app is called Lead Connector. Okay, and then these are some other things you can do. You can connect your Facebook business account right on this platform. You can connect a web chat, that's your AI chatbot from your website, connect it and manage the conversations right on this platform. You can also integrate your WhatsApp. This platform is very powerful, so you can manage your WhatsApp business on this platform, auto post, schedule your social media, Instagram, everything. Just check out this. And also you can move in your WordPress dashboard. You just click on connect, and then you put in your WordPress admin login details. See, it's a very huge platform. Just watch this right here. You can manage your entire messages. If you're getting messages on your WhatsApp, this is the platform you'll be receiving it, and then you can automate responses on this platform. You don't need to juggle between Facebook and then to Instagram and then to TikTok and then to LinkedIn. You can manage your entire, to have your entire contact here. Just check this place here. You have your entire contact here. Okay, so for those of us that have website platform on this single website, and then you can book appointment here. Okay, there's a way you set it up such that booking appointments is going to be automated. Okay, you have your entire contact here. Just check this place here. You have your entire contact here. For those of us into e-commerce businesses, you can do pay on delivery here. So you just need to take some time to set up your e-commerce website. So as you can see here, we have the social planner. Okay, you can post right from this platform. You can post, and then if you have all your posts organized in a CSV file, all you need to do is just upload from here and schedule all your posts. You can post to LinkedIn from here. You can post from Facebook from here. You can post from Instagram from here. Okay, and then maybe TikTok. See, I've only been able to link my Facebook account. See my Facebook account. Okay, so you can post on any. See, let me see. Add new. Did you see Facebook? Did you see Instagram? Did you see Google My Business profile? Did you see YouTube? All you need to do is just to connect these profiles, and then automatically schedule your post. Just put new post here. Okay, create your post or schedule. Now if you get comment on your social media platforms, you get the comment here, and you can even automate response. You don't need to juggle between Facebook, LinkedIn, and all these platforms. You see all your comment here, and then you can automate responses. You can also do your email marketing here for those of us that really want to take the online business serious. You cannot do without email marketing. Okay, see, you can create a campaign here. Okay, if you're interested in this, I can still create another course on this, but just I just needed to see there are templates that you can use here. Let me just show you. Okay, it's not going to be a very long video. Just wanted to show you. Okay, did you see? These are about close to 1,000 email templates that you can use to market your product. You can use to follow up on your leads. You can use to automate, okay, to do follow up on abandoned carts, send birthday messages to your customers, and all the likes. Okay, this is going to be the advanced version. If you're using, you've decided to use this platform, just let me know. I will put you through how to start. But the yearly subscription, like I said, the annual subscription is about 900 and something dollars if you're buying go high level directly from the company. But if you're buying a sub account, it's about 35,000 naira every year. So you can see it's a giveaway price. So if you're interested, I can link you with those or send a link that you can purchase from the sub sellers, the sub, yeah, the people selling the sub accounts. Okay, it's a white label product. Okay, so there's nothing fishy or scammy about it. It's a white label product. The company sells to those who want to resell. Okay, so that's why it's so cheap. So we have about in Nigeria alone, we have over 5,000 businesses using this every year. So you can see why they are able to afford the yearly subscription. Okay, so here you have automations. You can automate any of your workflows. You can automate any of your workflows here. Okay, automate, like for example, if one of your customer birthday is always in February, you can automate. I know many of us here, your bank sends you birthday messages every year. Nobody knows your birthday. Nobody knows you. Okay, these are what we call automation. Okay, they have your information in their system and they have created a workflow to automatically send you a message every 22nd of February if that is your birthday. So there's nothing really special about it. It's what we call automation. And you can also jump on the power of automation. With automation, when you transfer money to someone right now, you get an automated SMS, sometimes WhatsApp message, you get emails, and the person you send to also gets those kinds of messages. That's what we call automation. In the same way, you can track people that visit your website through the power of automation. Once they get your email, it goes into your CRM, and this powerful platform can help you see through everything. It can help you automate the whole process. Okay, you get all their contacts in your CRM, and then you can create workflows such that they get follow-ups for those who were about to purchase something and got distracted. They get reminders maybe after 2 hours of inactivity or after 3 days, and they get a link to redirect them to continue to purchase that product. So this is a very powerful platform you can use to do almost anything. You can also create as many websites as you like on this platform. Okay, you can create funnels for those of us who are digital marketers or a little bit about online marketing. You know what we call funnel. But if you are interested in a sales funnel class or course, you can indicate your interest. It can take you through that. What I'm saying, you can build a website from scratch. For those of us who don't have websites, see, you can start from scratch or use a template here. Here you go. See, over close to 1,000 templates, and they are all free. Okay, if you're using the platform, they are all free. Okay, all you need to do is just to preview. If you like it, good. If you don't like it, you don't pay it. Choose another one. Okay, see, okay, see this website now. Okay, if you're interested in this website, you only need to just edit this. You're going to look like a professional web designer after you finish editing this thing. Okay, just edit it by clicking on it. Okay, so easy. Okay, so that's about website. uh you can have blogs here as well. You can have your store here as well. Okay, we are not going into this right now. Okay, we're not going into this right now. I just wanted to show you. Okay. Okay, see your forms here. Okay, you can have quizzes, you can create form courses, online courses. This is the platform I use to manage all the courses I sell. Okay, this is that you can add quiz after the course. You can create a system where you can evaluate the performance of your students, use quizzes, and even automate certificate delivery through the power of automation. Okay, okay, that would be a more advanced class. Okay. Okay, so if you're interested in using this platform, you can contact me. I'll give you the link to purchase a sub account. All right, thank you for your time. See you in the next course.